So people, right now me there, just not too long wake up. I think Chabas probably asleep right now. Today, I'm not sure what I go on, but I don't know, I wake up and I just feel for some fried dumpling. But one problem, I don't know for fried dumpling.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit.
I'm not talking about no regular fried dumpling like where you put the spoon and the salt and you mix up your water in your flour. I'm not talking no spooners. I talk regular fried dumpling where you need that me talk. How me never learn how to make fried dumpling? Why me never learn how to make fried dumpling? Me not lie, me feel like by me telling you so me can't fry dumpling or me don't know how to fry dumpling, me feel like me let down the whole Jamaica. Me feel it to me heart. Me not lie to you. You know what time me used to get beaten for going shop to buy flour, me use the money buy what me not for buy, and me still don't know how to fry dumpling. Yo, me G, sorry for let you down. I go up on YouTube and I go redeem myself. Just go up on YouTube and I Google how to make real Jamaican fried dumpling. We have with flour, with baking soda, baking powder. We have with salt. I see them add some other things to it, but boy, I never see my people them do them something when they make it. But then again, I never pay attention. Might anyway, come out after. Now me I eat it. Spray me no poison. Damn, shit. Bismol first, you know, say if my belly run, me have the Pepto-Bismol. Damn, yo. I don't know if my future is real, you know. Me I go bed dumpling here right now, and una go see how them look good and golden. Chat about. Just don't need the flour. The people on YouTube say you have to put it for sit for around 4 hours. I don't know who I sit down and wait 4 hours for flour. Sit for 4 hours. Me hungry now, and that's why me need it now, because me need it now. Me hungry. By 4 hour time me dead. And the flour have to go fry itself. But to the right side of me I sit down. You know, just there at chill. Make it sit for a couple minutes. Cause me now follow the hour or something there. Yeah, it a sit. Really and truly, me I go kinda listen to them. Me not gonna make you sit down for 4 hours. Me I gonna make you sit down for around half an hour. 30 minutes. And then we forward back and see if we're ready for fry. The dumpling don't sit. I fry the dumpling already. I'm gonna show you how them come out. I cook some mackerel right now. I don't know why. It come like somebody hobby me. Consume mackerel. Every day I feel for mackerel. Dumpling they no look too bad, you know. No man, they no look too bad. Oh my lord, they no look too bad, people. They no look too bad. And you don't know the mackerel simmer.
Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
So flag girl, we are here again. Another day. Studio. Lay some more vocals. You know what I mean? 23rd of February, them on market right now for history. FamousSosick. Right over Supreme. We're documented here. Today. Heat make. I went last night.
Yeah.
Last night? Heat make last night. And heat make right now. Basics, like a cricket player over here. Right now, Chabas want a couple more verses.
Boy, Alfred, I'm not ready, man. They're studio. Let me box the camera. You know, you don't want to sleep, you know. I'm going to edit video and everything.
We're going to edit the vlog and everything.
If we go fishing.
If we go fishing.
Fisherman tonight?
Want to.
Oh, okay.
See if we can get chased by a crocodile or something. Just reach home from the studio, I don't know. Studio was a vibes. Right now, some food I look for consume. Or probably go fishing later. Probably go fishing later. See if we can get some swimmer around. We have Ricky right there. Yeah. Then you have...
We're going to catch swimmers.
Chabas right there.
Gang.
Right now we finally I go fishing. See the fishing pole right there, right? So we're not using shrimp because I'm allergic to shrimp. I'm gonna use worm. I'm gonna dig up a worm right now. Anyway, you see little dirt, I'm gonna dig up a worm. Right now we just reached dirt here. Breeze are blow so hard, but don't know if not here. Just touch down on the boardwalk. Right now, one you see how the place there. Chabas over there, so shrimp them I go use. You know me allergic to shrimp, so me can't put on more on a bait. No, out there full. I don't know if you can hear me because of beer breeze. Out there windy. Beer breeze out there. Beer breeze.
You jump over this and swim.
Go on.
That little bit.
This is Ricky. I never vlogged before. Let's try a different thing, you know? We're out here fishing. We're trying to fish. Let me see. Will you catch anything from today?
Why? You will come like a throw shrimp. Throw me allergic to shrimp. Fish them allergic to shrimp. So tell them to make we use worm. But no, it's just them.
Uba is allergic to shrimp. Let's see if he's really allergic. Look.
Dog, we jump off and you say no me.
People over there think we got some fish already. Only a little bit. We're just there for fun still. If we don't catch anything. Uba!
If we don't catch something, me a bex. I don't want fish with me. Me a bex. What go on for your fish?
I catch one.
What go on for your fish? What go on for your fish?
Swimmers.
What go on for your
swimmers? And drop off my hook.
The fish then go and sleep. Right now. You know long Ricky even look for a film thing because Ricky knows say nothing now get catch from that now.
Fishing.
Yeah, fuck real. Why not gonna fishing trip. Chabas over the south flag. And then if you can't hear me, or if you not see me really, but out here dark, when you catch nothing, you know, me like how the red light looks, so maybe do something right or so. So right now we're there in the pizza shop. Collect some pizza, you know what I mean? Just consume some food right now. Show us the right or so. We'll just get some pizza. Right. Say pizza them just forward. Yeah, on, chop on. Ricky around this up. Ricky, how you get?
Sicilian.
See what?
Sicilian.
Show us how that. Pizza. Right now, Chabas just sorry about eat. And then we're going to do road again. Pizza the bad?
Let's go.
Bad?
You want to be good? Oh, well, we're not going to move.
Yeah. Chabas just a wipe him out. People right now, and even know if you can see me tree good, but
Yo.
Chabas over this a piece of bush.
Huh?
Can't drive this out, bro. Just reach back the car. We are about to left out here now. See if we can go get some food. Probably go. I know me feel for some tin mackerel that me feel for. So let's journey with me.
I just take a quick piss.
Right now we just reach home. Ricky about to do road.
It been a good day.
We not catch no fish.
Yeah, it been a good day, but it was a nice time.
This a brother in this and mashing everything, but yeah, Ricky about to go home.
Alright, brother.
And we about to do road, so them time there, Maros. I can't believe not one fish.
Me catch a fish, man.
Yesterday was a nice eventful day. Go fishing, but you don't know so when I catch nothing. It was fun though, I'm not gonna lie, it was fun. Would I do it again, but this time if I catch something, I'm not do it again. Feel like say, because I see we need to go river this time. May I try find a river so we can go fishing. But you know what I mean? I just go drop the vlog here. I go into the vlog here. Whatever we do today, I'm gonna go into the vlog there tomorrow. So, you know what I mean? Yeah man, we're there and we are doing it. Make sure you like and subscribe. You know what I mean? And comment. Leave feedback. Cause we're there and we are doing it. I don't know we are doing it for. Yeah man, we're there.
And send me to tell you my story.